So now we are passing through the streets and the roads of this beautifully developed Kharadi neighborhood. As I told you, all RCC roads with high poles, street lamps, greenery planted in the center and both the sides, and of course all the IT parks and the big brand developers projects, townships basically, from Clover, Marvel, Panchsheel, and Geras, of course, because Gera is one of the big names in Kharadi. So your title is of course clear. It is sanctioned by most of the leading finance institutions, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. Transaction will be completely secure and we are there to manage your property. So now we are passing by these highway roads. It's on Nagar Road, east of Pune. This is Zensar, one of the biggest establishments on IT development, oldest in Kharadi. And of course now we have the Eon and the big malls, Reliance Mall being one of the big malls. So it's a completely premium up-down neighborhood in east of Pune. Ahead you have Wagholi and Ranjangaon, which is that Sanaswadi. They are all industrial belts with very huge industrial automobile factories and multinational companies. Now we are passing the Reliance Super Mall. It is just about 5 kilometers from Viman Nagar. After Kalyani Nagar comes Viman Nagar and then comes Kharadi. Now we are on the bypass road. So we are on the Kharadi bypass road and these are the kind of glass facade international class buildings. This is what is this building? This is by Vascon.
Yeah.
What is it starting at? Very famous name.
Reliance Mart.
Huh?
Reliance Mart.
No, not Reliance Mall. This is a name. AC something. Okay. Now this is your Radisson Hotel. And you have Kumar developers, Kolte Patil developers, all these big brands of Pune into real estate development. They have made Kharadi this premium location. The roads are very well developed, greenery is there, good prospect for appreciation, a lot of demand for rentals. All the bookings are done the moment the project is launched, and you can expect average more than 20% appreciation per annum. Only that rentals in residential properties are not very high, just about 4%, 3% or 5%. But you don't look at it that way, the advantage of appreciation and having a property which you can come and stay in case you want to live into that property. Am I right? Yeah, Mr. Talukdar is a very senior broker who is my colleague and he does a lot of transactions in east of Pune with me. We have seen this area evolve in the last 4 to 5 years. And this road connects you to the Nagar Road highway. We will take a left to go to Viman Nagar and it goes to Kalyan Nagar and Koregaon Park. And if you take a right, we are actually going to shoot a video of another very beautiful bungalow, which is another great option for you. Only thing is it's a little bigger budget because it is on 1 acre, that is 44,000 square feet, and a very classy, ultra modern bungalow, as what my colleague has told me. So I told him let's also go and give this option to you. As we go there, I'll continue the clip. Thank you.